So why don't you try this example here? Let's say we have a function f of x equals 2x squared plus 3x, and we want to find the gradient of the tangent to that function at a point x equals 2. So what we can do is we can find the y value of this here. So whenever x is equal to 2, we have y is going to equal, well, it's going to be 2 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2. So that's going to equal 8 plus 6, which is 14. So it's going to pass through the point 2, 14. So that's one bit of information that we need. Now what we want to do is differentiate this. So to differentiate it, we can say f derivative of x is going to equal, well, it's going to be 2 times 4, so it's going to be 4x plus the 3. Now we want to find the gradient whenever x is equal to 2, so we need to find f derivative of 2. So that's going to equal 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So we could say that m equals 11. So those are the two bits of information we need. We've got a point on the line and we've got the gradient of the line. So now we want to use our equation y minus b equals m x minus a in order to find the equation of the tangent. So we can say that y minus the b, well, the b is the 14, equals the gradient 11 times x minus the a, well, a is the 2. Then we can say that y is going to equal, we'll multiply out the brackets on the right hand side, it's going to be 11x minus 22, and we can take the minus 14 across the other side, becomes plus 14. So therefore we can say that y is equal to 11x, so minus 22 plus 14 is minus 8. So this here is the equation of the tangent to this function at the point x is equal to 2. So let's put it into the graphical calculator and we'll check and see that we got it right. So you can open up the file in the resources section, and first of all we'll check and see what we've got the differentiation right. So our function is 2x hat 2 plus 3x. Okay, so this red line here is our function and the orange dotted line is the derivative. So we said that whenever we do the differentiation, that's going to give us our 4x plus 3. And you can see here that our 4x plus 3 is correct. That's what the value is. It sits directly on top of the orange dotted line. Now we're not really interested in checking that, although we can check it and we see it is correct, but we'll take it off for now and we can take off the derivative there. What we're actually interested in finding is the equation of the gradient of the equation of the tangent whenever the value is equal to 2. So we could bring this down to 2. Okay, that's it sitting at 2. So what we want to do is find the equation of this tangent. Now we've already worked out the equation of the tangent, so let's see whether it is actually correct. So we'll put the solution in. So the solution was y equals 11x minus 8, so that's 11x minus 8, and you can see that it sits exactly on that tangent. Okay, so that means that we've got the answer correct. So again, you can go and put in a few different equations and then you can work out the equation of the tangent at certain points on those equations, and you can check your working using the graphical calculator. So thank you for listening. I'll get you on the next video. Goodbye.